You won't believe the history of the refrigerator. People once kept food cold with sawdust and ice. Before fridges, meat and milk spoiled fast, unless you buried them in ice or snow. The first home refrigerator arrived in 1913, created by an American named Fred Wolf. People thought mechanical fridges hissed too loud and even leaked dangerous chemicals. Thanks to safer technology and clever ads, fridges became a kitchen must-have in the 1930s. Imagine hiding ice in your closet. What food could you never live without cold?